नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanidar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, sitting with us all over the world in all the Adinams, ashrams, temples, universities, everywhere. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I was expanding on the science of making the best, highest superconscious mutation as Paramashiva gave this science to Devi and Devi brought to planet Earth in Kanchipuram and started manifesting it. Please listen. Listen intensely. I'll make few revelations. Some of the revelations I am making, science already understood. Some of the revelations I'm going to make now, science is yet to catch up, yet to realize it. But what I am saying is the ultimate truth from Paramashiva directly. Understand? The strands of DNA, components of DNA is kept together through sound. So, if you want superconscious mutation in you, the sound through which your DNA is kept together need to be dismantled and the ultimate sound need to be inserted. Understand? You need to disconnect the threads with which your consciousness and DNA is bound together and alter the connecting point, the sound, into highest possible sound. What kind of a sound is used to bind your consciousness and DNA strands together? That decides what kind of a powers you are going to manifest and what kind of a life you are going to have in your body. Please understand, not just this body, how many ever bodies you may take. So that is why I am saying this science, even if you practice for a few days, you will never lose the benefit of this practice, because every time you take birth, this what you acquire through this science will come along with you. Please listen. I'm repeating. I'm just feeling like revealing the whole thing. Listen. Your DNA has some physical components like a sugar, so many other things. And they are kept together through water. Listen carefully. The DNA strands and your consciousness is kept together through sound. The different DNA strands kept together through water. DNA strands and consciousness is kept together through sound. And the kind of the sounds you use regularly inside and the kind of the sounds you stored inside matters, because through that sound your consciousness connects with the DNA and sends instruction, and DNA manifests your life. Listen carefully. So, if you want superconscious mutation, listen. Whether you are Kailasavasi or not, Sannyasi or not, Brahmachari or not, Grihastha or not, nothing matters if you allow the superconscious mutation in your life. Purpose of becoming Kailasavasi, Sannyasi, everything is only this one. Superconscious mutation. If you miss that goal, sannyas is useless. Actually, sannyas is nothing but moving towards a superconscious mutation. Whenever there is a lust happening in you, instead of allowing the soft delusory words to manifest in you, listen the word I am using, soft delusory words to manifest in you, use Mahavagya. Listen carefully. The soft delusory words are love idea. Hard delusory words are violence idea. I'll repeat. There are 4 situations in your life where consciousness is directly involving, influencing your DNA. When you are hungry, when you are angry, when you are lusty, when you are about to fall sleepy, too tired, just want to get lost, withdraw. These 4 situations, your consciousness directly influences the DNA. The door between the consciousness and DNA is open. During these 4 situations, if you use these 4 situations, you can detox, remove all the unconscious ideas, words you stored inside you, and you can pull them out. Add Mahavagya. Powerful sounds, Mahavagya, inside you. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. I'll repeat. Your DNA strands are connected through water, hydrophobic material. DNA strands and the consciousness is connected through sound, sounds with which they are connected matters. The good news is you can reprogram, replace the old sounds through which your consciousness and DNA strands are tied together, connected together. The great news is you can use these 4 opportunities to do it easily. I'll give you the precise conclusion. Whenever you feel hungry, angry, lusty, sleepy, intensely reverberate your whole being with Mahavagya. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham with the decision, let my being, let my consciousness manifest itself through my DNA using this Mahavagya as connection point. Let Mahavagya be the connective point. I tell you, immediately you will experience Kailasa. This Mahavagya is directly from Kailasa. Anyone who decides to use Mahavagya to connect your consciousness and DNA will have the ultimate superconscious mutation. You will manifest health, you will manifest wealth, you will manifest beautiful relationships, you will manifest blissful life, you will manifest knowledge, you will manifest Paramashiva Jnana, the ultimate powerful cognitions, and Paramashiva Vijnana, ultimate applied science of Paramashiva, and all the powers naturally. Understand? This is the most powerful sacred secret I have ever revealed to the world. Listen to this carefully. When you are hungry, angry, lusty, sleepy, use those moments. They are the best time of your life. Vibrate yourself with Mahavagya. Reverberate yourself with Mahavagya. All the old dirty patterns, words with which you tied your consciousness and DNA unconsciously, abusively, all that will be released. You will be detoxed. Now, the super conscious Mahavagya will just connect your consciousness and the DNA through Mahavagya, and Mahavagya will manifest in your life as powers, as a health, wealth, bliss, knowledge, Paramashiva Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana, whatever you want. Listen. I tell you, this whole last year, when my body was in Samadhi, absorbed in Samadhi at various times, when my system was absorbed into that Samadhi, whatever has happened, I am revealing step by step by step to the world. Understand? Just to reveal this, Paramashiva has given me safe haven, safe place, and all the things needed, and I am going on revealing. When you are hungry, see how the consciousness is reacting over the DNA. When you are angry, see how the consciousness is reacting over your DNA. When you are lusty, see how consciousness is reacting over your DNA. When you are sleepy, see how consciousness is reacting over DNA. Use all these four situations and vibrate with intense Mahavagya. You will have ultimate superconscious mutation. Understand? The highest power manifestation science is this. when you are hungry, angry, lusty, sleepy. Vibrate your system intensely with Mahavagya. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Listen carefully. Essence of today's satsang is this. When you are hungry, angry, lusty, sleepy, vibrate yourself with Mahavagya. Listen carefully. Through sound, your consciousness and DNA is tied together. Wrong toxic patterns, toxic ideas, life negative ideas, when they enter into your DNA, when they become the connecting force between your consciousness and DNA, you will suffer in life in multiple ways. If the right sound is the connecting force between consciousness and DNA, the superconscious mutation happens, you just manifest Paramashiva. I tell you, Swalpamapyasya dharmasya drayate mahato bhayat. Even if you practice very little, huge problems will be destroyed. This method, this science, again, I am repeating Bhagavad Gita, Swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Even if you practice for few days, whatever you gain will come with you forever, any number of births you take. Understand? Your life is all about what kind of a connection your consciousness and DNA has. That's all. Chit Jata Kranti. Chit means consciousness. Jata means DNA. DNA is the closest matter which can have connection with consciousness. Chit Jata Granthi. The knot between the Chit and Jata. What is the material with which that knot is made? That sound. Sound is the material with which that knot is made. What kind of a sound made that knot? Listen, I'm repeating. If Mahavagya is the sound with which Chit and Jata is connected, you will have ultimate superconscious mutation. Ultimate superconscious mutation. Now sit with the decision to make Mahavagya as the connection between your consciousness and your DNA. Let Mahavagya become the connecting point. Let's start. Sit straight and vibrate yourself with the Mahavagya. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ परमशिवोऽहम्। ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्। ॐ नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् 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 नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम्. Now start the power manifestation. I myself will manifest in all of you. Paramashiva will manifest all the Parashakti. Paramashiva will manifest Parashakti. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.